Jam Republic and Bada.
I am Kirsten
I am Bada.
and we are in
Singapore.
So why are you guys here actually? Like how did the both of you just end up here in Singapore with me?
Wow. The reason we are here is to visit Jam Republic's headquarters and to visit Mr. Bossman.
저희는 오늘 이걸 먹어볼 건데요.
Yeah. And we have.
This is traditional kaya toast.
This is what we need to definitely try.
Yeah.
And then these are sneaky desserts. The real test. Do we know how to crack an egg?
3, 2, 1.
And that's how you crack a soft egg.
Cheers.
And then
I love this. So the next place we're going to, we're gonna get a little more hands-on. It's a secret for now. Totally not ominous. See you guys in the next one.
Not gonna lie, when we were planning the shoot, and then Rachel told us you're afraid of birds, the
this is a perfect.
production crew was like, yes, content.
Content.
Just watch. I'm gonna act like I'm not afraid of it.
Hi guys, so my name is Vanessa. I'm a keeper here in Wings of Asia in Bird Paradise. What you're going to do right now is you're going to feed our 4 pelicans residents right here. When you guys are wearing the gloves, they actually will get prepared to stand by all the way to the front.
Oh my gosh. 잠시만요. 잠시만요. Wait.
So how was that? Did you get over your fear of birds?
Yes, I did. It wasn't scary and it was really fun.
너무너무너무 좋은 경험이었고 또 이렇게 다양한 종류의 새들을 볼 수 있어서 너무너무 좋았습니다.
Are you guys hungry? I'm a little hungry. Maybe it's time for some lunch. Should we go? Let's go.
Let's go.
Finally, it's our time to eat. Let's go. This looks so good.
Cheers, ladies.
Cheers.
So much stronger than this.
I feel like I need to get some activities going. So we're gonna get a little more hands-on again for the next one.
Stay tuned.
See ya.
Hi, I'm Kai and currently we are at Mr. Bucket. Today we'll be going through 3 other stations. Our creation station where Bada and Kirsten will be able to make their own chocolate bars. Then we'll be going into our bean to bar room where we can roast cacao beans. And then lastly we'll be having our tasting set, Journey Through Asia.
Whoa.
너무 맛있다.
I'm not gonna share with anyone. I'm so sorry. Y'all got custom chocolate?
Oh my god.
It's me and Kirsten.
You guys had a lot of sweet stuff. I think it's time for something savory.
Ooh.
We're about to get hands-on, local style. Can I get another hint?
Welcome to Satay Power 6 at Lau Pa Sat. This is satay, one of Singaporeans' favorite food. We're at a halal stall today, so today is only beef, lamb, prawn, and chicken. So let's enjoy this beautiful food. Bada, I heard you wanna start your own studio.
My dream. Dream.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Exciting.
What about Kirsten? I heard maybe moving to Korea.
Possibly. Maybe.
Really?
Just for a little bit, yeah. I'm looking for a new base, and I really like Korea. Yeah, works there, so why not? Yeah.
A lot of
Let's eat.
So how was the food?
So good.
What's your favorite?
The beef was
Shrimp.
We're going next to Longji, and that's where we're gonna try chili crab and crab bihun. See you guys at Longji. Hi, my name is Nick, and I am the director of Jam Republic and also founder. How was the food?
so good.
Delicious? What's your favorite?
The crab, the spicy.
Chili crab.
Yeah. Chili crab.
Me too. Chili crab.
And that's day 1. We are signing off. See you tomorrow for day 2.